This video explains how to buy shares of Halyk Savings Bank-Gdr Reg S, a Kazakhstan-based retail and corporate bank listed on LSE PLC under the ticker HSBK.L. This is an educational guide only and not financial advice. To buy HSBK.L, you need a broker. We use eToro as an example to demonstrate the process. After registering, you will need to verify your account, usually with an ID, and add funds before you can place an order. Use the platform search bar to enter the ticker HSBK.L and locate the Halyk Savings Bank-Gdr Reg S listing. Confirm the listing name and market to ensure it is the correct asset. On the asset page, review the company summary and the price chart to confirm you have selected Halyk Savings Bank-Gdr Reg S, ticker HSBK.L. Check basic details like market and listing to avoid the wrong security. To place an order, click Invest. Choose the amount you want to buy, then carefully review the order details and confirm the trade. If the market is closed, the order may be queued, and if you lack funds, the platform will prompt you to add them before final confirmation. After the purchase, your new position will appear in your portfolio so you can monitor it. For the example link to eToro, check the description below.